DJI has officially revealed the design of the Avata 360, but there are still a lot of things that haven't been revealed and that make this drone better and more clever than the Antigravity A1, its one and only competitor. DJI and Insta360 have taken completely different approaches to this new category of FPV drones, and that already takes us to the main difference between the two. While the Antigravity features folding arms in a design that's more similar to a Mavic Mini, the Avata is made up of a one-piece chassis with fixed duct propellers, making it closer to a Cinehoop, although the propellers are quite big at approximately 3.5 inches. This difference would have been fine if the Antigravity could be used with a regular remote, but for now, the only way to pilot it is with goggles and a motion controller, that although it's intuitive and fun for beginners, it doesn't provide enough precision and freedom when piloting. However, it seems like they're making a new controller bundle, priced at only €849. But that's apparently coming out this summer, so it should still be in development now. There are absolutely zero renders of it apart from this image, and I only discovered it when researching for this video. They haven't been advertising it in any way for now. I'm sure this move is not a coincidence, since the Avata 360 will be compatible with all the O4 DJI controllers, along with the O4 goggles, which means potentially even the goggles too could work with it. So it can be flown both with goggles and as a regular Mavic, but there's a lot more than that. In fact, the Antigravity can't fly in acro, and at that point it becomes almost pointless to fly it with goggles in angle mode. The Avata 360 can fly acro FPV while not being limited in terms of speed and flight parameters. However, there are obviously downsides in packing basically 3 drones in one body, and the main one is surely the dimensions since it doesn't fold. But there's another downside that seems to be quite disregarded, and it's the reason they have included a landing pad with it. To make a full 360 footage, the upper and lower lenses need to be close and the drone has to be fully flush, without anything protruding. That's why the Antigravity has a full electric landing gear that protects the lower lens. Finally, the price of the Avata, at least from the leaks shared by Quadro News and converted to euros, seems to be a lot cheaper. Approximately €600 for the RC2 combo and about €1,000 for the Goggles N3 combo. The official release is just 1 week away, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss any new update and drop a like if this video was helpful.